Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Welcome to Mindanao, the second largest island next to Luzon. Because of its rich biodiversity and natural resources, it is known as the Land of Promise. Mindanao is the home of the most famous Karayawan Festival, celebrated every August that serves as a Thanksgiving event for the gifts of nature, the wealth of culture, bounties of harvest, and serenity of living. It also celebrates and gives tribute to the Lumads, a collective group of indigenous people living in the city.
During the Spanish colonial period, the name Mindanao is derived from a Spanish corruption of the name of the Maguindanao people, the dominant ruling ethnic group in the Sultanate of Maguindanao in southwestern Mindanao. The indigenous population was swiftly converted, and the Philippines' first mosque was built in Simunul in the mid-14th century. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the Philippine Sultanates of Sulu and Maguindanao were established.
Mindanao Island, the home of 27 million happy and hospitable Maguindanans, living in a total area of 97,530 square kilometers, with 6 regions, 27 provinces, 33 cities divided into 10,048 barangays.
It is normally located at the southern part of the archipelago, which is surrounded by the Bohol, Philippine Celebes, and Sulu Seas. This island is measuring 293 miles north to south and 324 miles east to west. You can actually put 150 metropolitan Manila just to occupy the size of the island.
The Mindanao has its hidden literature that everybody doesn't know. Some of the known literature in Mindanao are Blue Blood of the Big Astana, 1941, by Ibrahim A. Juber, Prince Pantugan, by Brian Saludes, and Indarapatra at Sulaiman, by Bartolome del Valle.
Mindanao is also known with their famous authors who make exceptional pieces. Antonio Reyes Enriquez is the author of several books of short stories and novels, such as Surveyors of the Luasan Marsh, Subanons, and The Unseen. Enriquez also did various jobs like writing news and other features for various newspapers and magazines. Ricardo de Ungria, author of several poems such as Radio, Decimal Places, Vaudeville Selected Poems, Pigeon Levitations, and many more. In 1999, he moved to Davao City in Mindanao to become the first dean of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences in UP Mindanao campus.
In every place we go, we always wonder about their food. Let's explore the best from the islands of Mindanao with these gastronomic delights. Ensaymada de buko, a pastry with coconut inside, and nilupak, a mashed yuca root or cassava. And lastly, panyalam, a deep-fried kakanin, and it's mainly made of coconut milk, ground rice, and sugar. It is a foreign delicacy of a special tribe in Mindanao called as the Mansaka tribe.
Aside from delicious cuisines, the tuna capital of the Philippines is located in a part of the island, General Santos City. The island is known for their healthy marine life. Mindanao can also export a high-grade seafoods not only on nearby Southeast Asia countries, but also in the western area.
With the beauty of Mindanao and its timeless allure, it's easy to see why travelers find it hard to leave Mindanao.
Island Garden City of Samar. When it comes to beaches, it is considered the country's largest resort city, or island, with its powdery beaches and numerous beach resorts.
Camiguin Island is famous for its fine white sand and a beautiful view which surely be enjoyed by every traveler who wants to feel the salty air in their skin.
Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines and among the highest in the Southeast Asia, standing at 10,311 feet. Mount Apo is the place for people who love to go adventurous trips. This dormant volcano is known to be the tallest peak in the Philippines.
Siargao is known to be the best place in the Philippines to do some surfing. It is one of the most popular tourist spots in Mindanao and the whole country.
It has become globally known for being home to the surf capital of the country, a famous highly urbanized city and jaw-dropping beaches.
Mindanao, truly one of the most amazing places that we wish to go to from its tourist attractions and colorful culture. A beauty waiting to be seen, a place of natural wonders and abundant gifts. Visit and explore Mindanao and enjoy an experience of a lifetime.